Okay, Flynn. Got some Alpo prime slices with chicken and gravy. What do you think? What do you think? Want some Alpo? What do you think? Alpo. Oh, your tail. Let's try it. Let's see. All right. I'm going to scoop it out. Put it in your dish. What do you think? Can I try it? Can I try it? What do you think? Good stuff? Mmm. Oh, Shadow's trying to get it on the action. What do you think, Sweeney? I think he likes it.